is John. I've travelled halfway around the world to come to Antalya to have my teeth done at Diamond Dental in Turkey. I wouldn't hesitate to go out on my Jack Jones and just walk the streets, looking at the sights. The people are so friendly. Just chat, just to get a conversation, it's so easy. I would highly recommend it to anyone that's thinking about coming to Turkey to get their teeth done. Very reasonable compared to England and the other parts of the world. It's just made a big difference in my life, having teeth. I've never had proper teeth where I could smile. Now look, I'm like a Cheshire cat. I smile all the time. I'm so happy and so confident now. I can't wait to get out and to start showing people my smile and how good it looks. And all the staff that work at Diamond Dental, they're just absolutely fantastic people, and I do believe I've made friends for life. Even if they don't come back in a while, I would definitely feel I've got friends over here now for life. Fantastic studio, fantastic clinic, spotless and so friendly. I'd just like to give out a big thank you. You've given me my life back, and I can't wait to get out and show people my new smile when I get back home.